So over the last month, I've had some crazy things happen. I made some videos where I've talked a little bit about it, doing a thought experiment and basically randomly manifesting $15,000 just like that, and all these other really interesting signs from the universe. And it is the new year in basically any day now with 2021. And for a lot of people, they've had a difficult 2020. And I want to give you, based off of a couple of these things that have been happening to me, these really cool, crazy things, that I want to give you some signs that you're going to have an amazing shift in your life in 2021. Like, things are just going to start shifting. You're going to have money come out of nowhere in even bigger ways. There's going to be new beginnings. You're going to meet new people. You're going to go new places. You're going to finally do this and that. And you're going to have an incredible just flow of abundance and success in your life with these three signs from the universe in 2021. So if there's certain things you intended to manifest, you've wanted to manifest, or you just want to be more successful one day, these are three signs that 2021 is going to be your year. So this is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com. Make sure you hit the like button on this side right over there, this side right over there, and comment down below, bring it on 2021, right? Like, this is the energy we got to have. Bring it on. This is going to be the best year ever for you by far. Your money is going to increase. Your happiness is going to increase. Your energy is going to increase. Your joy, your success, it's all going to go up in 2021 with these three signs from the universe. And if they aren't happening in your life, you can actually call them into your life right now. So buckle up your seatbelt. 2021 is going to be the best year ever for you. I have a feeling, I do declare. And so let's dive right into this video. The first sign that amazing things are headed into your life, that your manifestation is coming, is that basically what happens is you totally let go. You let go of your manifestation. You let go of the dreams that you have. You let go of what the future may look like and spending any energy contemplating it. You've let go into an absolute truth, into a total knowing. You no longer believe that what you want's coming. You no longer hope that what you want's coming. You no longer wonder if what you want's coming. You know, like you know, like you know, like you know, like you know that what you want is coming into your life. It's beyond logic. It's beyond the mind. It's beyond thoughts. It's from the deep level of feeling. Feeling is the bridge to spirit, to the universe, to God. And it's this feeling, like you know that something amazing is coming. And one of the best ways to do that right now, to start to basically start sowing and putting the seeds down and getting ready to reaping in 2021, is doing simple math. 1 + 1 = 2. In other words, what you impress upon your subconscious mind right now will express itself in your life in 2021. So that last month, that last couple weeks, the beginning of the new year, that's the time where basically your subconscious has fresh soil, so to speak, fresh spiritual soil in the subconscious around the energy of the new year. And this is the time where you plant your desires deeply into your subconscious, and then you let go of them. Like, you don't worry every day after you put a carrot seed in the ground, is it going to become a carrot? Is it not going to become a carrot? You know, if you put it in the thing, put it in the ground, water it, let it do its thing. You don't need to go dig it up every day and be like, is it going to happen? Is this possible? No, you know, because you programmed your subconscious mind and you understand 1 + 1 = 2, what you impress within your subconscious, that expresses itself in your life. The spirit energy projects that into your outer reality. And it all starts with your subconscious. So the best way to start to do that right now is to brainwash yourself for what you want. And once you do, then just let go of it and say, thank you, universe, that all my dreams are coming true. Thank you, universe, that all my dreams are coming true. And it doesn't go, universe, can you hear me? Are my dreams possible? No. Thank you, universe, that all my dreams are coming true. And so if you want to instill that level of certainty in your subconscious so that 2021 is the best year ever, use my free success hypnosis. I talk about it in every single video, and the reason I do is because you have to brainwash yourself. It's right there down below. It's in the description and comments. It's jakeshypnosis.com. It's free. And the reason I say that is because the subconscious controls 95% of our life. And what happens to most people is they bring the old software from 2020 into 2021. Software, right? Because this is the most powerful supercomputer in the world. So they bring the old last year's software, subconscious software, mental software, into the future. And this is a window right now where the energy of the universe is such that you can reprogram your mind and you can actually put new seeds in the soil right now. This is the time to put the seeds in the soil. And it all begins with you properly inserting your desire into your subconscious mind and entering the spirit of it. And in doing that, you pull it from the quantum field, from the mind of God into a material fact in your life. So check it out. It's jakeshypnosis.com, the description and comments right there down below. The next sign is that you are constantly starting to see the numbers 2 and 1 in phone numbers and addresses, in times you look at the clock, whether it says 12:12 or every time you look at it, it seems to say 1:21 or 11:11. We're moving into the energy of 2021 right now. And what this is saying is the outer numerical symbols in your life that you're seeing, and addresses and numbers, and every time you look at the clock and things like that. What that is your subconscious mind speaking to you, to your conscious, through signs, symbols, and numbers. And what the signs, symbols, and numbers are is there's order in that, right? It's 2021. Oh, I keep seeing 2020. I keep, it's coming into the year 2021. I keep seeing 2021. Oh, I keep seeing 11:11. I keep seeing 12 this. It's order. And what this is a sign that there is also order in your life. For many people, 2020 was chaotic. There was no order. People lost their jobs in a massive way. People were stressed in a massive way. People's lives were uprooted in a massive way, right? It was very chaotic for a lot of people. And what happens is then we move into the animalistic survival, fight or flight lens or perception of reality, and we become reactors instead of creators. And so the repeating numbers that you're seeing right now are a sign to you to affirm and focus upon the miracle working presence of the universe, being a creator, being in creator consciousness, recognizing that everything is energy and your perception is what creates the fact in your life. And all throughout history, ruling elites have always been able to control the masses because they've been able to control the masses' thoughts. That's the way that we basically build our own prisons, is through our own habitual thought patterns that have been conditioned by society, most of those being negative and redundant. And so we get in this reaction state where we're reacting to the economy, to what's happening outside, to money, to relationships. But when you see the repeating numbers, it's a sign that says, hey, the miracle working presence of the universe is flowing to and through you. So I want you to say that with me. The miracle working presence is flowing to and through me. Just like actually say it until you start to feel it. The point of the words is to create the feeling, and the feeling is the truth. It's the vibration, and the truth and the vibration is everything. And so let's say it one more time. The miracle working presence of the universe is flowing to and through me. So every time you see those repeating numbers, just affirm that. 2021 is the year that the miracle working presence of the universe flows to and through me. I surrender to it. It manifests itself in my life because it's a miracle working presence that flows to and through me. Therefore, it flows to and through all my finances. My bank account flows with the same growing universal miracle working presence. My love life follows the same trajectory, and it manifests miracles in my relationships. My relationships are healed and renewed and invigorated. And I found deep romantic love on a level that I wasn't able to tap into ever before because the miracle working presence of the universe flows to and through me. And as it flows to and through me, because it's infinite in nature, I see constant abundance and expansion in my finances, in my career, in my relationships, in my health, in my joy, in my spirituality. It's ever flowing. And this miracle working presence is in everything. Therefore, all things are possible. That energy becomes very powerful. So I invite you to affirm that upon your own spirit right now in this moment. The third and final sign is that you felt like giving up, but you didn't. When you feel like giving up and everything's down, you think you're done. You think you're giving up. You're going to give up on this desire, on this manifestation, on this dream, on this goal. You're done with it. You're going to give up on the thing. Is it possible? You're wondering, you're doubting, you're questioning, you're just sick and tired and just like you don't know if it's going to work and it's just work. That's a sign that you're really close. That's a sign to let go to the miracle working presence of the universe. That's a sign to let go to new beginnings. That's a sign to let go of your past and your old story. That's the time to realize and let go and surrender to this amazing power of the universe. I personally believe that you are a spiritual being in a physical body. You don't have a spiritual experience, you have a physical experience. You are spirit, and you are one with God, this miracle working presence of the universe, and it manifests itself through consciousness and imagination because you get to harness the mind of God through imagination, and those images and things you create in consciousness manifest themselves into your physical environment as your life. And that's why I always say that if you can hold it in your mind, you can hold it in your hand. Whatever you can hold in the mind, you can soon hold in the hand in your life because whatever is impressed here expresses itself there. And I invite you to surrender and let go to that. And remember that there is fresh beginnings right here in this moment because everything is energy. And at any moment, you can shift your perception to possibility. You can shift your perception to transcend your own mind and your own ego, and for us to all surrender to this miracle working presence from which we all come and are a part of. And so at that moment, we let go and it shines through every cell of your being. It shines through every cell of your being. Heck, it's literally, you're made of the stars. This is what shines through and can shine through every single cell and fiber of your being. And that means in 1 year, in 2021, you could have the best year of your entire life. Like you could accomplish, achieve, have more things manifest in your life in 1 year than in the previous 10 years combined. And I want you to surrender and affirm that statement. 2021 is your year. 2021 is your year. Comment that down below. 2021 is my year. Actually comment it down below. Like, I know it sounds silly or corny, but like the reason I want you to do it is because if you do it, you start to engage in the emotion. I'm sure you can feel my energy in this video. It's because I'm saying these things, so I'm affirming them. They're activating in every cell of my body. They're activating in my feelings and my emotions. What is emotion? It's energy in motion. So it's activating your vibration. So comment down below, 2021 is my year. Comment down below, 2021 is my year. And make sure, if you haven't yet, you download my free Success Hypnosis and just start using it every single day. We've been so programmed in our society. 2021 has showed it more than anything. We've been so programmed, and it's time for us to start to program ourselves instead of be programmed by the media, by society, by others, by our past, by our whatever. Let it all go and upgrade the software on your supercomputer. Press delete on the viruses and let's upgrade the software. Imagine if the software that controls 95% of your life was programmed for success. It was programmed for you to have abundance. It was programmed for you to get what you want, for love, right? And your life changes. So right there down below, if you just use this for a couple minutes a day, if that's the only thing that you do in 2021 that's different, is you spend 5 minutes listening to this once a day, you will be amazed at how much life gets easier and how things come to you quicker, because you've got to the core of what creates everything, which is subconscious programming. It's as easy as that. And so it's free. It's jakeshypnosis.com. It's right there down below. It's in the description and the comments right there down below. It's jakeshypnosis.com. So go ahead, hit the like button right over there, subscribe, bell notification, all that type of stuff. And if you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments down below, and check out jakeshypnosis.com.